Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network latest video. This video we're going to show you the iCarsoft VAWS or VAWS version 1.0 kit, reset an airbag light. In this case we're in an Audi, but it also works on VW, Seat and SKoda cars as well. Now the kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So we have the tool plugged into the OBD2 diagnostic port, which is somewhere down there, and what we have a screen layout here. I'm going to show you a real basic demonstration of how this works. So we've got diagnostics highlighted, so we'll click onto that, select our manufacturer, which is Audi, and it's just a case of going through the process of selecting. You can either select your vehicle or you can actually select your system. I find it easier just to go for the system because it knows exactly what you're looking for. Well, you know exactly what you're looking for. In our case, we're looking for the airbag system, and it's number 15, I believe. There we go, airbag. So it just takes a few seconds to connect to the airbag system. There we go, so we can click into read fault code first of all, and we've got B100 B1B passive abiogenesis. Don't even know what that means, but anyway, driver thorax airbag igniter resistance too high. So basically we'd found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. One of the yellow connection, which was loose, so we've put that back in, and now we're in a case, obviously the airbag light is still on, but we're in a case where we need to reset the system, reset the ECU, and that should in turn get rid of the airbag warning light. So let's try that now. So we'll go clear fault code. Fault code and freeze data will be erased. Are you sure you wish to continue? So when I click this button, just keep an eye on the airbag light, and there we go, it's gone off straight away, and on screen here we have erase operation done. So that's a real quick demonstration of the iCarsoft VAWS version 1.0 kit. As I say, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.